So based on whatever we have done up till now, let us solve a few sums. The first one is to find a unit vector in the direction of given vector, and the vector is 3i plus 4j. Okay. Now always remember, a unit vector is denoted by a cap. Therefore you have this I के ऊपर and j के ऊपर also cap, because I is a unit vector along x-axis. Similarly, j is a unit vector along y-axis and k is a unit vector along z-axis. Remember this, right? So a unit vector is found by dividing the vector itself by its magnitude. Okay, so the vector that we have is 3i plus 4j. We will divide this by its magnitude. How to find magnitude of a? So under root of x component, which is 3, and y component, which is 4, दोनों का square. Okay, so what we are left with is 3i plus 4j. This is root of 9 plus 16, which is 25, और root ले लोगे तो 5 आ जाएगा. ठीक है, so we got 3i plus 4j divided by 5. Now we can separate the fraction part. So we will have 3 by 5i plus 4 by 5j. So this is how we find a unit vector along any vector. Hope you all got this. Let us check out the next sum. Now this question is textbook unsolved sum, question number 2-1. The question is, show that vector A, which is given by I minus j by root 2, is a unit vector. Now whenever we say that a vector is unit vector, मतलब क्या, उसका magnitude कितना है, 1 है. So we'll try and find out the magnitude of this, and if it is 1, then we can say कि magnitude क्या है उसका, magnitude 1 है, तो we can say that it's a unit vector. So vector A over here we can write it as 1 by root 2 I and 1 by root 2 j. हमने खाली उसको separate किया हुआ है. Now let us find the magnitude. Magnitude कैसे निकालते हैं? You have under root x component का square, which is 1 by root 2 का square, and under root y component का square. ठीक है, so ये minus 1 by root 2 था. Anyways हम square लेंगे तो वो चला जाएगा. So what we have is 1 by root 2 का square will be 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. This will be root of half plus half is 1 and root of half is 1. So what we got, the magnitude is how much? 1. So what we can say is A is a vector, A is a unit vector. Hope you all got this. Let us check out the next sum. Okay, let us check out the sum number 2 unsolved from the textbook. They have given vector 1 and vector 2, and they have asked us to determine the magnitude of v1 plus v2. So first of all, we will be finding out what is v1 plus v2. So let us write down v1 is 3i plus 4j plus k. We have to add this with another vector I, j and k. So we have already said हम addition कर सकते हैं directly. So ये 3 plus इसका coefficient कुछ नहीं है, मतलब 1. तो 3 plus 1 will be 4i. This will be our vector v1 plus v2. Next we got 4j and minus j. So 4 minus 1 will be 3j. So we got 3j over here. And lastly ये plus k and minus k. तो plus 1 minus 1 cancel हो जाएगा. So what we are left with is 4i plus 3j. ये हमारा हो गया वेक्टर एडिशन. अभी इसका हमें मैग्नीट्यूड निकालना है ना. सो मैग्नीट्यूड कैसे फाइंड आउट करते? सो मैग्नीट्यूड इज अंडर रूट ऑफ एक्स कंपोनेंट. एक्स कंपोनेंट मतलब जो भी आई के साथ में है, और आई के साथ में 4 का स्क्वायर. वाई कंपोनेंट वट एवर इज विद जे इज 3 का स्क्वायर. सो व्हाट वी गॉट इज 4 square is 16 plus 3 का square is 9, which is root of 25. So we got the magnitude as 5. Hope you all understood this. Similarly, let us check another sum. ये भी almost same है. So again we'll add up v1 plus v2, right? So v1 is 2y minus 3j. We have to add this with minus 6i plus 5j. So this will give me this will give me plus 2 and minus 6 will give us minus 4i, minus 3i plus 5 will give us minus 3 plus 5 will be plus 2j, right? So this is vector v1 plus v2. Now to find the magnitude, v1 plus v2 will be equal to root of x component is minus 4 ka square and y component is 2 ka square. So minus 4 का square will be 16, 2 का square will be 4, so this is root of 20. अब इसको आप लोग 4 into 5 भी लिख सकते हो, ये इसलिए लिखा क्योंकि 4 का रूट आ जाएगा 2 और रूट 5 ऐसे ही पड़ा रहेगा। तो ये मैग्नीट्यूड हो गया। अभी डायरेक्शन के लिए इफ यू ऑल रिमेंबर, डायरेक्शन हम लोग कैसे निकालते हैं, tan इनवर्स y कंपोनेंट अपॉन x कंपोनेंट। तो y कंपोनेंट यहाँ पे क्या है 2, x कंपोनेंट कितना है -4, सो थीटा विल बी इक्वल टू tan inverse 1 by -2, or you can write it as tan inverse minus 1 by 2. Okay, so I hope you all understood this, and based on this let us give you all a homework. Let us say you have vector 1 which is 2i plus 3j plus, okay, only 2i plus 3j, and there is v2 which is 4i minus j. You have to find the magnitude and direction of vector v1 plus vector v2. Okay, try and solve this and send me by tonight or tomorrow early morning. If there is any query, please let me know. So we'll stop here with this topic. Thank you very much.